Hey, Linus compadres, friends, or vinir, like we would say in Icelandic. Hi, vinir. So you're learning already. Now you know some Icelandic. Hi, vinir. I have not posted to the channel in a couple of months, except I posted a video yesterday. So check that out. SCP, you know me, no USB. I definitely should not quit my daily career as a Linux admin to become a rapper. So there's a good reason why I have not posted. I also wanted to show you my new room to record in, thanks to my awesome wife, which gave up her room so I could actually record this summer because of what happened. So 2 months ago, I fell on my skateboard and went to the hospital. I've been skateboarding since forever. It's one of my skateboards up there, and love it. And then I went to the hospital and ambulance. That's the word that I was looking for, in an ambulance. And it looked like I was really broken. And they took x-rays and the doctor said, well, you're not broken. Came into the room. My wife was with me and he just said, stand on the leg, stand on the leg. And I said, I can't stand on the leg, man. It really hurts. And it was so swollen and my knee was swollen as well. He was like, well, according to the x-rays, you're not broken. So if you're in the States or in the UK and you think European healthcare is amazing, it's not. It sucks balls. And so I told him, like, I can't stand on the leg. Something's off. And he said, well, the x-rays don't show anything. And he walked out of the room. There was a nurse with him, and he said I was a crybaby. Yeah, I was pretty mad. And well, my wife was probably more angry than I was at the time, understandably so, because I was in pain. And you always have like this sympathy for your spouse if they're in pain. And then because of that, I thought I was not broken and I was a crybaby and I just should walk on the leg. So for 7 weeks now, I have been walking on crutches, just thinking I should man up, whatever that means. and also a week after this happened, I got the influenza. I was so sick for 3 weeks. I couldn't talk. I was just on the couch, and then my wife got sick as well for a really long time. It was not a good season at all. So I was in so much pain on the leg, and it was still so swollen. I went to the doctor and he just looked at it and he said, oh, we need pictures right away. So I got an MRI on the knee, and then I got a computer. I don't know the English word for it. Computer picture on my foot. And right away, they were like, oh, we messed up. So I have to have surgery in 3 weeks on my foot. I have to get 6 or 7 screws put in and a plate. And then I have a torn ACL and 2 torn meniscus. I think that's in the word for you guys. Lithove in Icelandic. See, Lithove just rolls up the tongue, super easy. So that's what's been going on for me for the last 2 months. I've been working at home for the companies that I work for as a Linux administrator. So they've been incredibly nice and supportive. And so that's been great. So all this summer until September, I am working from home right here. So for the next 3 weeks until the surgery, I cannot put any pressure on the foot. So that's kind of hard. I live in a 2-story building and my studio was downstairs. So that was a hassle for me. So my wife, we just had a wedding anniversary on May 8th. We've been married for 21 years. We've been together since 98. So a long time. I can't even do the math. Since last century, y'all. So that's a long time. So she said, so supportive. This was our bedroom. Now we sleep what's the word? Now we sleep in our living room. So she's giving up a lot. So thank you, love you. And she made this nice room for me. So I can just walk in, sit down, both work and record. So applause. Applause for her. Love her. She's amazing. So this is the Linux Ninja, Ármann Jakob from Iceland. I just wanted to say hello. I thank you all for watching, subscribing, the comments, the likes, the dislikes, even. I learn from that as well. I'm trying to grow this channel. I'm trying to learn. I'm just trying to teach. I love seeing people actually send me a lot of messages on LinkedIn and then also emails directly, which is amazing, and telling me that they either are studying for the RHCSA or the Linux Plus. What should they study? And then they're thanking me when they do well. And it's just been, I know I only have 1,200 subscribers, but I feel like, oh, I'm actually helping someone. So that is great because so many YouTube channels have helped me in the past. So just kind of just having fun with it. And I know my style is not for everyone. I get that. But this is just me. So leave it or take it. You don't have to click subscribe. You don't have to watch. But this is me. Yeah, raw, unedited. And so thank you so much. I will be posting a lot. And also, if you go to linux.ninja, click on and subscribe to my newsletter. I try to send out a few now. I'll be more active. Anyways, just wanted to say thank you guys. I appreciate you and thank you for watching, and stay in touch. Bye.